Paris.
Yeah.
What are we going to try now?
Pumpkin Oreo.
Pumpkin Oreo?
Yeah.
That's right. Okay. It's also from the South Bend Chocolate Company. Okay.
Okay.
And here's what it looks like.
Okay.
Ooh.
Ooh.
It's all orange.
Yeah.
Pumpkin Oreo. All right,
Okay.
here you go.
Thank you.
Tell me what it tastes like.
Okay.
Hey, show me what the inside looked like. Wait, keep it still. Right there. Here, let me help you. It's not focusing, but you can tell it's an Oreo. So what do you think of the pumpkin Oreo? Is it good?
Mhm.
You think other people will like it?
Yeah.
What's it taste like?
Pumpkin Oreo.
It tastes like pumpkin Oreo. Of course it does. Should we buy more? Okay. Say adios.
Adios.
Hasta luego.
Let's go.
Blow a kiss. I like pumpkin Oreo.
I like pumpkin Oreo.
It tastes good.
Tastes good.
Bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
One more big bite.